What's going on out there, YouTube? Yeah, as you can see by this big, humongous, massive box, and I'm telling you guys, look, this is the camera angle all the way back. It takes up the whole freaking lens here. The PMP Prep Box is right back in the shop. It is seriously one of our favorite times of the month around here. So stay tuned. We're going to roll that little intro, and we're going to get into that big mamma jamma. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you see, this month's theme is cutting tools. I think that's a perfect pairing with last month's box, which was the camp cooking, and I understand next month's box is going to be centered around a pack. So I see where he's kind of getting you mission oriented, for lack of a better phrase. But as we usually do, there's what's in this month's box. Okay. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, I'm going to give you a brief overview, and while that's happening, you're going to see a card in one of these two corners popping up for every review I've done on PMP Prep Boxes. So after you check this video out, come back to that little spot and go check them all out. Jason, the HMFIC over there, got really tired of all the crap and other, subscription boxes, and he decided he wanted to see a radical change, and he did it. Now, there's only two levels in the PMP Prep Box. There's level 1, you pay about $50 for, and this month you're going to get a value of $87.85. And level 2, you pay $100 for. Oh, I see what he did. Okay. To get on level 2, basically you pay $50 more, it's $100. You get everything in level 1 and level 2. And it's got a total retail value of $183.75. Now, sorry guys, I don't know if you can see that too well. Jason admitted in a conversation I had with him, he forgot to dump my packing list in the box, so he taped it to the outside. So I was a little confused there by something I was reading. But let's see if we can do this right in a row, because I know you want to see what's in that box, and you don't want to hear my big mouth going. Of course, I buried it all the way in the bottom. Alright. Now, the first item up. Sweet Jesus. Is a Marbles 2-bit hatchet. Not a bad box it comes in. Ooh, I like this. Small little hatchet. Says it's made in El Salvador. If I understand some things right, I think they said these were hand forged. But not a bad little camp hatchet to have. I mean, seriously, it should be a required tool. Because everyone's got to go out and chop wood at certain points to make a fire. And I'll tell you honestly, batoning a frickin' blade is a piece of wood's a pain in the butt. But not bad. It's got a value of $29.95. Not bad. Okay. Next item up is a Silky Pocket Boy folding saw with a value of $48.95. Aha! Sweet. Okay, well, for those of you guys who desperately like seeing the package, there you go. And I like the fact it comes in this little hard plastic case. That's kind of cool. For processing wood, cutting down some trees and whatnot. That is pretty freaking cool. I don't know, honestly, of any other box out there that has put a Silky Pocket Boy saw in their box. So that is pretty freaking sweet. Alright, last item up. Now, we got something similar to this in like a battle box, but I kind of like this one better because I like the company a little bit better. It is the Lansky Sharpening Puck with a value of $8.95. It's just one of those. Now, if you guys have never used, a sharpening puck before, they're pretty simple. Basically, you can use oil on it or water. Now, if you're going to be using this in your pack, I guarantee you're not going to be, packing honing oil with you, so you're going to be using a lot of water. Here's a little trick. You can go from water to oil on a stone, but you can't go from oil to water. Yeah, water to oil, oil not water. There we go. But, you know, when you have it on there, you're just basically going against, you know, the surface, or you can just go straight like a sharpening stone. Really simple to use. So that's not bad. I mean, if you only got the basic level this month, or I should say level 1, sorry, used to saying battle box stuff, you got 2 implements to help you process wood, and not to mention something to help keep your axe sharp. That's easy to pack, carry in the field. Now, let's move on to level 2. I gotta tell you, I was a little shocked. There's only 6 items in this box, but for their value, I can kind of see why, and everything really serves a purpose. First time up, level 2 is the Schrade Small Kukri. Small, right? Small. Now, I will admit, I did take a look at this earlier when, you know, the mailman dropped it off, because he gets just as much of a kick out of this stuff as, you know, I do getting it. Okay, big deal. The usual paperwork you get when you get blades, who cares? But, it's not a bad cutting tool. It feels good in the hand. I mean, seriously, it feels really, really good. The grip on this handle, it's like a texturized, rubberized grip. And it even has a place for, you know, a little lanyard. That way you can wrap it around your wrist for added safety. What I like about kukris is the way that the blade is. It's not so much just a straight machete hatching. It's more of a gravity blade, which helps, for lack of a better phrase, double the force. Comes with a ferrous rod and a diamond sharpening stone. That is cool. I didn't catch that earlier, to be honest. I just opened that up to see if it might be able to fit a stone. So basically, this is a multi-purpose item in my, you know, my estimation at this point. It just became a little bit more valuable. Ah, I see. Okay. And we're going to play around with the harness and whatever later. So it looks like you can mount it on your leg if you have to, or an over-the-shoulder carry. Not bad. We're going to be getting into this more in a further review, simply because I want to see the benefits of this guy and what we can do with it. I kind of like it. Okay. Moving on. Next up is a Mora knife, Ken's ball. Hope I'm saying that right. There's the package. Oh, hey, look at that. Okay. Well, it says you can use it with a fire starter, which is kind of cool. There's some of the stats on there, but I know I'll be doing another review on this in a little bit and give you, you know, like its full breakdowns and whatnot. Now, some of you are familiar to my channel. You know, I'm not hugely into Moras, but Jason is doing his best to change my freaking mind. Oh, I see. Got that upside down. Nice. There's a neat little, you know, way to carry it on your belt. And yeah, that is a very sharp 90-degree spine all the way up there, so that's perfect for striking ferrous rods. Nothing fancy about them. More knives are made in Sweden. And it looks, this one is like one of its stainless steel, so I'm betting it's like our 420 high carbon stainless steel, kind of along those lines. It feels really good in the hand. This one's more for outdoor work than some of the other ones that I brought to the channel, like the bushcrafting up your Mora. I think I'll put a card up there so you can see what I'm talking about. What Mora was talking about is the way the handles are. If it's more curved down below, it's more for urban work, and things like these are more for your outdoors work. So not bad. 3 cutting implements out of 6 items. I'll take it. Seriously, I'll take it in a heartbeat. All right. Now let's get up to the last item. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't had much success with these guys. Matter of fact, I think I threw my last one over the fence into the woods, and I bet some rabbits are playing with it right now. But it's the AccuSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener with a value of $12.95. And it's one of these guys. Okay. I don't know if you can see that too well on the back with the instructions. Basically, shoot out of the package. It's designed for quick sharpening, but they're carbide cutters on there, so they're going to peel a lot of steel. And I'm going to tell you, honestly, I would not use this for a daily sharpening of my blades. It's more for out in the field for a quick touch-up. You just put it on, and I'm not going to do it with this because this is pretty freaking sharp, and I'm actually, damn you, Jason, I'm actually beginning to like this more. Just by holding it, I'm really beginning to like it. Damn you, boy. I know he's out there smiling, people, so don't worry. He's probably going to leave a comment down below making fun of me, too. Knowing him, I know you, Jason, you're going to do it. But you just put it over the top and basically pull it right down the blade. You can hold it if you want to and just, you know, do it. I should say pull it down like that way if you want. But I find it easier if you find a flat spot, put it down, and it just helps you ease the pressure and keep, you know, keep control. But, okay, not bad. For camp work, and that's exactly what I'm looking at this as, for camp work, cutting tools, this is not a bad box. And I'm also looking at it as, if this was the first box you ever bought from PMP, would you be happy? Honestly, I would, because I can see value in everything. I may not use it, like I hardly ever use a puck that I have. Like I said, I've had horrible luck with this, so I don't use this as a go-to item. But that's me. You know, I can see where other people may see value in this box. I'm not disappointed by a single item in this box. And if any of you out there are wondering, I paid for this. I don't get this for free. This is my cash going into this box. So I get to pick on them if I want to. And this is the seventh box we brought to the channel. I haven't been disappointed by one yet. But guys, for those of you who know my channel, you know I'm going to set everything up and we're going to do a really, really quick review about all this. So stay with me real quick. Alright guys, so there it is. This month's PMP Prep Box, camp cutting? Yeah. Oh, excuse me, cutting tools. I don't care, I'm saying camp cutting because I'm not going to use this around my house. I mean, no offense, it'd be pretty much badass to cut a steak with a kukri, but it'd be overkill. I like it. I mean, I've got a couple folding saws, but I don't have a silky, so I can't wait to try that one out. Like I said, I don't have much luck with the AccuSharp, so that's probably going to be a giveaway item for somebody out there. Just like I've already got a puck, and I'm going to give that away too. But I like the hatchet. I love that kukri, because I have always seriously loved kukris after my time, you know, in third world countries like Panama and Honduras. They make life a lot easier. But I want to know what you guys think. I mean, seriously, leave me your questions, your comments, your hatred, whatever, you know, down below in the comment section. I want to know. I like this. All right. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I mean, we're going to do the usual wrap-up here, so stay tuned, guys. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's an unusual one, but you picked a good one. I mean, you really, really did. Now, for those you know, really, really cool people out there who haven't subscribed yet, right down there, there's a channel logo. Right down there. Go ahead and destroy that thing for me, guys. I mean, seriously, we're getting so much closer to our 500th subscriber, and I already told everyone, once we hit that 500, whatever that month's box is, you're going to get one. Not this one, because we're not at 500 yet, but, you know, whenever we get there, we'll have that big unveiling and everything. But so subscribing is really, really important at this point. And after you've gone ahead and subscribed, go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time when we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of vidges, two are going to pop up, you know where, over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, thank you so much for watching this month's PMP Prep Box Cutting Tools, September 2018. Have a good one.